got me so confused with your attitude, and I know I ain't crazy. This is all on you. I know the risk I'm taking from trusting you. You know you can't stay away. What should I do for you now? So I love this, I try you.
Basically, I looked on YouTube and I didn't see anything so similar to this, and I originally wanted to get a video or something out there comparing the most, I don't know, not the cheapest, but then let's say under $5 or £5 products to products above. So I have my hair in two parts now, right? So there's going to be the left and the right. And sneeze. It's not coming. And sneeze. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to detangle my hair with what's the word? With some oil. So this is an oil mixture that I made up myself. I'm just going to speed through this bit just because this isn't exactly comparing. I'm just going to put oil throughout my hair. So enjoy whatever music I decide to put with this video.
Babe, I can see your brown, babe. I don't need you no more, babe. You'd be better off if you're on alone. Cutting you off, babe. I can see your brown, babe. Cutting you off. You'll be better off if you're on alone.
So yeah, so even though I dried, tangled my hair or whatnot, I just got like about this amount of shed hair. Yeah, I'm gonna just start off with this part. And then I'm just going to spritz it. So this might look very messy when I'm doing this. So now for co-wash, I decided to pick two different co-washes. Okay, let this be the cheap side. Alright, so for my cheap co-wash, I'm going in with this. So this is the Organics Purifying Plus Charcoal Detox Conditioner. So it's a purifying conditioner, and that's why I'm going to use it to co-wash my hair. I think this is quite new because I really haven't seen this around, or at least it's new in England, right? And it's sulfate free and all that good stuff, so that's a very good. And then on the other side, I'm going to be using As I Am Dry and Itchy Scalp Care. So this is like my favorite co-wash at the moment. I really love this. This, however, I have never used, but then the fact that basically they're both like detoxing, I thought that okay, let's try it out. And in terms of organics, so I have used a lot of organics products. So there's this one that I have here that I really like as well. This is the Kukui. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And it's also sulfate free and everything. I also use the organics coconut water and coconut milk. So I think this is quite a good brand in terms of conditioners. I'm going to put these two to the test right now. So I'm going to spritz my hair with water and do it in front of you guys.
I know say you that got you through some overload, so you just play for me. Please don't touch me, so
all their other conditioners are a lot thicker, but like it's not as thick as I expected. It would be like super thick because that's how all their conditioners are. Okay, let's see. It has a perfumey smell. I think that I don't like. I like my conditioner smelling more natural, so like smelling of oil, peppermint oil or whatnot.
and even though we face the altitude, you know we can't stay away. And maybe you might be my retreat from all the pain you've been causing me. I need to know your ways when you're around me, because you can't keep playing. What can I do for you now? So I love this.
So basically off camera, I put the what's it called? The organics somewhere, but yeah, the organics conditioner in this half of my hair. So I just wet this part of my hair and we're going to use the As I Am. So make sure it's focused on here. Ooh.
And
yeah, that's the consistency. No, I really don't like a mess. Then I love the smell of this. Like it literally smells like tea tree oil. Just smells so natural. And I think that's what I love when it comes to hair products. So I've kind of zoomed in so that when I speak about each part I'll tell you. So my hair is basically 4A and 4B, right? So like the back half is 4A and the front half is 4B. So can you guys see, like my curls are defined? I don't know if you guys can see this or if it's coming up close. Can you see like the wriggly thingies at the end? Like my curls are quite defined, which like I said is something I look for. So I either co-wash my hair with an actual co-wash or use a conditioner and then I apply it several times. Now I'm telling you this because this particular conditioner I had to use it about 3 times in my hair. So rinse, so use, rinse, use, rinse, use, rinse. So I could be sure that my scalp was like proper clean. Like you can see that my scalp is clean. Right, so it did the job, but it just took a lot longer in my opinion. It has lots of slips, so did it cleanse my hair? Yes, one tick, it did cleanse my hair, but I feel it took a lot longer to cleanse my hair. So yes, I know it's not exactly a co-wash, but then it says it's a purified conditioner, so I expect it to also, you know, cleanse my hair. Anything that has charcoal in it would, like if you put activated charcoal, it should cleanse your hair quickly. So I will give it an 8. That's it, like I'll give it a 7. So for conditioning my hair, I'll give it a 7. Now let's move on to As I Am. Now let's note that prior to doing this, I had already used As I Am. This is my first time using this, and this is like my favorite at the moment to co-wash my hair. So now let's look at my curls being defined. As you can see, this defined my hair a lot more than that did, or like if you can see properly. Now cleansing my hair, now obviously this is a co-wash and I only had to go in twice. I always go in twice with all co-washes, but the first time I did feel like that whole squeaky clean and my hair was still really moisturized. My hair, I really like how this cleanses my hair, but the truth is I wasn't surprised because it's not my first time using this and I knew what to expect. Condition. Oh, condition. I don't think this makes my hair as soft or as moisturized as I'd like it to be. Like it makes it moisturized, but I definitely feel like, okay, I have to deep condition my hair, even though that's a given. But the coconut co-wash, so if you guys know the coconut co-wash of this, that definitely moisturizes. Sorry, let me get this out of the way. That definitely moisturizes my hair a whole lot more than this. So I'm going to zoom out now. I just don't like how close that. This is the winner. So I choose this over this. But if I'm being honest, I feel like this is a very close second. The only thing is that you need to go in more times with this than you would with this. But I would like to cut it some slack because it does say it's a conditioner, it's not a co-wash. And when you co-wash your hair with a regular conditioner, you do need to go in more times than you. Yeah, this I'm quite impressed by. Only downside, like I said, is just the smell. I'm very picky when it comes to smells in my hair, so if you're not, try this. You should actually really like it. With dip conditioners, I am very picky. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I have one particular dip conditioner that I love so much. I never let my hair get used to anything, but then this particular dip conditioner, I've been buying it for the last 3 years and I haven't stopped. And that's on the expensive side, so that is this. So this is basically the Amika deep conditioner here. So to use together, I was thinking this really moisturizes my hair, so what can I compare it to? And I really love this. So this is the Aussie 3-minute miracle reconstructor. But I think to give this a fair go in terms of cheap and expensive, I'm going to cheat a little. I'm going to like use this with this intensive repair. So this is going to really moisturize my hair and this intensive repair. So I have used this on its own before and I wasn't really a fan, if I'm being honest, but I feel like I've never tried this two together, and this one just doesn't, like, I always mix it in with something else, so like with maybe the Amika one or the Shea Moisture one on this side, and then I'm going to use this one here. So I'm putting about this much into this lid, mix it in with this.
Love is so easy, running after you, baby. I can't make you stay. I said, baby, I beg, carry your things and go. 'cause I'm done waiting and cutting you off, babe. I can see your brown, babe. I don't need you no more, babe. You'd be better off if you run alone. Cutting you off, babe. I can see your brown, babe. Cutting you off. You'll be better off if you run alone. Apologies, it's all I've been receiving from you. Honestly, you think that I go keep on waiting after you. I'm calling you out, babe. I can see your brown, babe. I don't need you no more, babe.
So I'm basically gonna sit underneath a heated cap, and I'll be back in like 30 to 45 minutes when I have washed everything out, and I'll let you guys know which is better, which worked and all that, and we can then move on to moisturizing my hair. Guys, this is what the side that had the Aunt Jackie's and the Aussie Moist looks like, and then this is the side that had the Amika on its own, and this is what that looks like. So in terms of volume, I don't really get too much volume when my hair is wet. So with the deep conditioner, what I look for is slip, moisture, and also how manageable my hair is after. So if my hair is super soft, it can be manipulated and all of that. And if I'm being honest, I can't really tell so much of a difference between both of them. Like, I know I mixed two for this, but it's actually given Amika a good run for its money. And I'm quite shocked because prior to this video, I did not like this one, right? I did not like it, and my reason for not liking it was I felt like it didn't give me what I needed in my hair. Like, it was just thick and it just stayed there. Like, it didn't penetrate into my strands, nothing. I tried this combination. It is so good, because if you look at for price, this costs 20-25 pounds, right, depending on where you buy it from. This probably costs like £4, and this costs around £3-4 pounds. So basically the combination of these two isn't even up to £10. So these two together are like half the price of this, or less than half the price of this. So just because of that, and for what they're both doing, I would actually just like edge this one up over Amika. Like, I love Amika so much, and it's still my all-time favorite, but just because these two are doing quite similar things, even though not the same to this, and they cost half the price. So I'm going to do the Loc Method, so leave-in conditioner oil. And for cheap leave-in conditioner, or a cheaper one, I went in for Cantu. So this Cantu costs about £3-4 pounds. And on this side, I'm going to be using this oldie but goodie. This is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening and Restore. I just like my hair to be quite elastic and flexible, like when I put in a leave-in conditioner, because I don't style my hair. I usually just like have it up in like cornrows. Actually, no, in terms of manageability, I'll give this a 9 and give Cantu an 8. Alright, for the cream, I've actually got 3 options. I know it's supposed to be 2, but then I'll explain why. So this is my all-time favorite. Like, this is the one I always go to. This is by Gauzy. So I would put it up here. So this is the Shea the Shea Butter Moisturizing Cream. So this is like best for, like, let's say you're trying to moisturize your hair, right? I use this like a lot. But the reason why I'm not using it today is because I can't find a cheap comparison, and the only two that I could see to compare in my drawer of hair products is the Aunt Jackie Silly Up Butter. It's quite hard to find like a butter that's like £5 and below. This costs £4. I have the double butter cream by As I Am. Now this is actually new. I've never used this, the double butter cream. They have very similar consistency, so they're very buttery. So this is the As I Am, so I just scoop a bit and show you. Like, it's very, very buttery, so it's like a souffle. So when you just whisk something up, like, you know, like when you whisk shea butter or like whisk cake batter up, right? So that's kind of how it is. And this is also quite similar. So this is the but this is thicker. So this is also like a butter, but just a little bit thicker.
I can see your brown, babe. You'll be better off. done waiting for you.
Okay, now this, right? This is a thick AF butter, right? So I feel like for me, when something is this thick, I expect it to be like super hydrating. So like this is like raw shea butter mix, like this one I spoke about, and it's thick. Like I don't know if you guys can see, like at the back of my hand, like it's thick, right? Super hydrating. So when something is this thick, because obviously like you have like different butters in it, cocoa butter, shea butter, and all of that, you expect it to be like super hydrating in your hair, right? Now with the Aunt Jackie's, I feel like it's setting on my hair. So it's not as moisturizing as I'm expecting it to be. This on the other hand, oh my god, I love it. I love it. Super hydrating. Like I'm definitely going to be using this a lot from now on. So I guess I would have like these two that I use a lot. In terms of how hydrating it is, this definitely wins. I'm going to give this a 9 and I'm going to give this a 6. It's like I'm hating on the Aunt Jackie brand, but no, I'm actually not. I really like the brand because thinking of it, like they literally have like so many products for natural hair that's like £5 and below, and that's so hard to find, especially seeing like most people look at natural hair as, oh wow, natural hair is this and that, and then they make the products a lot more expensive because they know we would buy it. So kudos to Aunt Jackie's for making. I hope this video was helpful. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment. Let's talk if you've tried any of this product, if you preferred one to another, or if there's another one you want me to test out. Maybe I already have it or I don't. I'm always open to, you know, trying out new hair products because like it's a hair channel and like I have natural hair. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you guys so much for watching. More content coming, and yeah, let's talk in the comment section, guys.
You got me so confused with your attitude, and I know I ain't crazy. This is all on you. I know the risk I'm taking from trusting you. You know you can't stay away.